Alright guys, we're located here in Getsemani. This is the Airbnb, and I'm going to give you guys a quick tour. So this is the entryway. We have a general sitting area here. We have a dining room. If you'd like, you can open these. There is glass. And the reason for that is to keep the cool in when the AC is on, the AC is on. Same over here. There's glass. Air conditioning. Over here is the kitchen, pretty standard. It's all colonial style. Swimming pool. There's a few leaves in it, but that's because it's open. Okay, over here on the left, we have a bedroom. And we have a bathroom here with a shower. On the next left, we've got another bedroom. Also AC. Keep in mind, all of them do have AC. I'm not sure what's going on with the light there. Anyways, another bathroom with a shower. We're gonna head upstairs. Actually, there is another bathroom here. I'll tell you about that after. On the left, we have another bedroom. This one does not have a bathroom attached to it, but it overlooks the pool. And in front of us, got another bedroom, TV, air conditioner, bathroom. And we will continue. On the right, we have a general bathroom. Again, overlooking the pool. Some leaves that got blown in from last night. This little general sitting area, ceiling fan. And over here we have the master bedroom. It's a bit of a mess. Air conditioning. Shower, you know, pretty standard. So that's basically it for bedrooms. Again, the view over the pool. And we will head upstairs to the rooftop. So over to the left in that room, we have laundry. To the right, we have a jacuzzi. Again, there are some leaves from last night. Sitting area with some sun protection. And then a sunbathing area. And then an overview of the neighborhood. you one final view from the top, looking down into the pool. If you guys have any questions about this place, feel free to ask them, and I'll do my best to answer them. If you guys would like to see more Airbnb videos of places that I've stayed at, let me know.